Did you know? Almost 1 in 4 brand new vehicles encounters a major problem before hitting 40,000 miles. In today's video, we're diving into the 15 most unreliable cars that struggle to make it past this milestone. From mechanical failures to sky-high repair bills, we'll break down exactly why these models should set off warning bells for potential buyers. And wait until you see the last car on our list. Its shocking inclusion will leave you stunned. Many would never have guessed it to be among the worst. Coming in at number 15 on our list is the Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle has a reputation for struggling with reliability, with owners frequently reporting significant mechanical issues. One of the most expensive problems involves engine failures, which can set owners back approximately $4,400 in repairs. Electrical system malfunctions are another recurring issue, often leading to frustrating and costly fixes. Transmission troubles are also common, with many Wrangler owners experiencing gear slippage, a problem that can result in staggering repair costs exceeding $22,000. Additionally, the infamous death wobble, a violent steering shake that occurs at high speeds, poses a serious safety risk. Fixing this issue typically costs around $800. While the Wrangler does offer impressive off-road capabilities, its reliability issues tend to surface quickly. In 2024 alone, the model has already been subject to 6 recalls, further underscoring these persistent concerns. Ranked at number 14 on our list is the Mitsubishi Mirage, which comes with an affordable price tag of approximately $18,000. However, it is one of the least powerful vehicles available, equipped with a small engine that produces just 78 horsepower. Many drivers have expressed frustration with its weak performance, particularly on highways, where the engine struggles to maintain speed and keep up with traffic. Beyond its lackluster power, the Mirage has also drawn criticism for its subpar build quality. Owners frequently report issues such as excessive cabin noise, an uncomfortable ride, and poor handling, all of which detract from the overall driving experience. While the Mirage may be an economical choice up front, concerns about its reliability and long-term durability make it a potentially risky investment for prospective buyers. Taking the 13th spot on our list is the Volkswagen Jetta, which comes with a price tag of approximately $21,000. While it is considered an affordable option, it has been plagued by various issues that have frustrated many owners. One of the most frequently reported problems is engine stalling, which can be both inconvenient and potentially dangerous. Additionally, many drivers have voiced concerns over the Jetta's high fuel consumption, which makes daily commuting more costly. Another common issue is engine misfiring, particularly in turbocharged models, which can lead to performance inconsistencies. On top of that, electrical system failures have become a growing problem, with ignition switch malfunctions often contributing to sudden engine stalls. These persistent problems have resulted in 4 separate recalls for the Jetta. In 2024 alone, recalls were issued specifically to address some of the most severe electrical defects. While the Jetta's competitive pricing may be attractive to budget-conscious buyers, its long-term reliability remains a major concern for those looking for a dependable vehicle. The Nissan Frontier, ranked at number 12, comes with a price tag of approximately $288,000. However, it is not without its share of problems. Owners frequently report issues with the transmission and drivetrain, which tend to worsen under heavy usage, leading to significant frustration. Engine overheating and rough shifting are also common complaints among many who own this vehicle. In 2024 alone, the Frontier has already been subject to 3 recalls, underscoring ongoing concerns about its overall durability. For those in search of a reliable workhorse, the Frontier may fall short of expectations. Despite its established reputation, it poses a risky long-term investment due to these persistent issues. Securing the 11th position is the Rivian R1T. Owners have encountered software glitches that impact critical systems, alongside suspension issues that compromise the smoothness of the ride. Additionally, frequent charging interruptions have been reported, often linked to either software or hardware malfunctions. As a relatively new brand, sourcing parts and finding trained technicians can pose significant challenges. In 2024, the R1T has already experienced 4 recalls, including concerns related to airbag functionality and accelerator pedal performance. These recurring issues raise substantial doubts about the vehicle's reliability, particularly before it reaches the 40,000-mile mark. For potential buyers, these factors highlight the risks associated with investing in a vehicle from an emerging brand. Taking the 10th spot is the Volvo XC60. Renowned for its cutting-edge safety features and upscale design, the XC60 nevertheless grapples with significant reliability challenges. With a price point of around $53,000, this vehicle has been plagued by issues such as transmission malfunctions, engine stalling, and electrical system failures, particularly in the infotainment system and driver assistance technologies. In 2024, the XC60 has already been subject to 3 recalls, underscoring its struggles with long-term dependability. These recurring problems often emerge before the vehicle reaches 40,000 miles, casting doubt on its ability to deliver a consistently reliable ownership experience. While the XC60 excels in safety and luxury, its reliability concerns may leave some owners disappointed, especially those expecting a trouble-free performance over time. Securing the 9th position is the Nissan Rogue. The Rogue is equipped with a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine that boasts innovative variable compression technology. While this engineering sounds impressive on paper, its complexity has led to potential issues such as internal bearing failures and severe knocking noises, raising concerns about its long-term reliability. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, is currently investigating these engine problems, which have impacted hundreds of thousands of vehicles produced in recent years. Additionally, the Rogue has gained notoriety for its continuously variable transmission, CVT, which many owners have reported failing prematurely. A Consumer Reports survey highlighted that nearly 15% of Nissan Rogue owners experience transmission issues within the first few years of ownership. With CVT replacement costs frequently surpassing $3,000, the Nissan Rogue may be more suitable for short-term leases rather than long-term ownership, as the potential repair expenses and reliability concerns could outweigh its initial appeal. Coming in at number 8, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying the content, we have the GMC Sierra and Chevrolet Silverado. Sharing this video could help someone steer clear of a costly mistake when purchasing their next vehicle. Now, let's dive in. In the 8th spot, we find the GMC Sierra and Chevrolet Silverado, 2 of America's most popular full-size trucks, with starting prices around $36,000. These trucks are frequently praised for their impressive power and performance, but they are also known to suffer from reliability issues that can emerge surprisingly early in their lifespan. A common complaint among owners revolves around GM's cylinder deactivation technology, which is designed to enhance fuel efficiency by shutting down half of the engine's cylinders during light loads. Unfortunately, this system has been associated with problems such as lifter collapse, unusual engine noises, and even complete engine shutdowns. According to data from carcomplaints.com, multiple class-action lawsuits have been filed over these persistent engine issues. Beyond that, the Sierra and Silverado are prone to frequent transmission and electrical problems, which can lead to repair costs climbing into the thousands. Reports of engine misfires and fuel system malfunctions have also surfaced before the vehicles reach the 40,000-mile mark. While these trucks are often seen as dependable workhorses, their reliability issues may leave some owners disappointed, as they may not live up to the expectations many have for them. Taking the seventh spot is the Volkswagen Taos. This compact SUV is positioned as an affordable and stylish choice, with a starting price of approximately $22,500. However, potential buyers should be cautious, as the Taos has been associated with a range of reliability concerns that could impact its long-term appeal. The Taos is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, which has drawn criticism for performance-related problems such as fuel system failures and engine stalling. According to a survey conducted by AutoWeek, more than 20% of Taos owners reported encountering significant engine issues within the first year of ownership. Additionally, the all-wheel drive variants are equipped with a dual-clutch transmission that has a track record of reliability issues, often resulting in expensive repairs and unexpected breakdowns. Electrical problems have also been frequently reported, further tarnishing the vehicle's overall reputation. While the Taos offers an attractive package in terms of affordability and design, its reliability issues may make it a less appealing option for those seeking a dependable compact SUV. Securing the sixth spot are the Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe and Wrangler 4xe, with prices starting around $55,000. These plug-in hybrid models are marketed as adventurous, off-road-ready vehicles, but they come with a major drawback: significant reliability issues. Both models have been subject to multiple recalls for serious problems, including hybrid battery failures and instances of the engine shutting down unexpectedly while driving. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, these recalls have left numerous owners frustrated and unsure of how to resolve the issues. Owners have also reported challenges with hybrid efficiency in colder weather, as well as problems like battery drain and rough shifting. A Consumer Reports survey further revealed that more than 30% of Jeep owners encountered electrical or drivetrain issues within the first year of ownership. Given these numerous concerns, it's evident that the Grand Cherokee 4xe and Wrangler 4xe may not be the best choice for those prioritizing reliability in their vehicle. While they offer an appealing blend of adventure and hybrid technology, their frequent problems could make them a risky investment for long-term use. Coming in at number 5 are Hyundai and Kia models equipped with 2.0-liter four-cylinder engines. These vehicles, which include popular options like the Hyundai Elantra and Kia Sorento, boast eye-catching designs and competitive pricing. However, they are plagued by significant reliability issues that have raised serious concerns among owners and industry experts alike. Over the past decade, the Theta engine family, used in these models, has been associated with widespread problems such as excessive oil consumption, bearing failures, and even engine fires. According to data from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, more than 3 million vehicles have been recalled due to these issues, underscoring the severity of the reliability challenges. Many owners have reported engine problems emerging well before the vehicles reach the 40,000-mile mark, often resulting in expensive repairs and extended periods of vehicle downtime. While Hyundai and Kia have been working diligently to address these problems, the ongoing uncertainty surrounding their reliability makes these models a risky choice for potential buyers. Despite their appealing aesthetics and affordability, the persistent engine issues may outweigh their benefits for those seeking a dependable vehicle. Taking the fourth spot is the Infiniti QX50, with a price tag of around $50,000. The QX50 shares many of the same drivetrain issues as the Nissan Rogue, making it a vehicle with notable reliability concerns. Owners frequently report problems with its turbocharged 2.0-liter engine and continuously variable transmission (CVT), including engine stalling, transmission failures, and electrical glitches. These issues are common enough to raise red flags for potential buyers. According to J.D. Power, the QX50 ranks below average in reliability when compared to other luxury SUVs in its class. Additionally, due to the brand's luxury parts and service requirements, repair costs can be significantly higher than average, further complicating ownership. This makes the QX50 a risky investment for those prioritizing long-term reliability. While the QX50 offers a stylish and luxurious appeal, its frequent mechanical and electrical problems may prevent it from delivering the dependable performance one would expect from a premium vehicle. For buyers seeking a trouble-free luxury SUV, the QX50 may fall short of expectations. Claiming the third spot is the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, with a starting price of around $40,000. The Pacifica Hybrid has been subject to multiple recalls, many of which are tied to its hybrid powertrain. Reports of electrical failures, battery malfunctions, and even fires have emerged, leaving many owners concerned about the vehicle's safety and reliability. In its most recent survey, Consumer Reports ranked the Pacifica as the least reliable vehicle on the market, highlighting widespread issues that could result in expensive repairs. Compounding the problem, Chrysler technicians often struggle to diagnose and fix hybrid system issues, leading to prolonged downtime and frustration for owners. Given these challenges, the Pacifica Hybrid may not be the ideal choice for families in search of a dependable minivan. While it offers the appeal of a hybrid powertrain and modern features, its reliability concerns and potential safety risks make it a questionable investment for those prioritizing long-term dependability. Taking the runner-up position at number 2 is the Jaguar F-Pace. This luxury SUV is celebrated for its striking design and sporty performance, but its reliability issues often overshadow its many appealing qualities. With a price starting around $55,000, the F-Pace has developed a reputation for a variety of mechanical problems. Owners have reported a range of issues, including electrical system failures, transmission troubles, and engine leaks, which can significantly detract from the driving experience. According to a J.D. Power survey, the F-Pace's reliability ranks well below average when compared to other luxury SUVs in its class. Adding to the frustration, repair costs can quickly escalate due to the high price of parts and the need for specialized services. This makes owning an F-Pace not only a potential headache, but also a costly endeavor. While the F-Pace excels in style and performance, its reliability challenges and expensive maintenance make it a less practical choice for those seeking a dependable luxury SUV. For many, the financial and mechanical burdens may outweigh the vehicle's initial allure. Finally, claiming the top spot as the least reliable car is the Land Rover Range Rover. Owners frequently encounter a range of issues, including engine failures, suspension problems, and persistent electrical malfunctions. A study by UK-based Warranty Direct revealed that the Range Rover is among the most unreliable vehicles on the market, with average repair costs soaring to nearly $2,000 per incident. Due to its complex technology systems and expensive maintenance requirements, many owners find themselves facing hefty repair bills long before the vehicle reaches the 40,000-mile mark. And there you have it, the 10 least reliable cars that could leave you stranded before hitting the 40,000-mile milestone. While these vehicles might attract potential buyers with their stylish designs or competitive pricing, their reliability issues are significant red flags that cannot be ignored. If you're in the market for a new car, it's crucial to prioritize reliability to ensure peace of mind and avoid costly repairs down the road. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you had any experiences with these 10 least reliable cars that struggle to last even 40,000 miles? Share your stories in the comments below. We're eager to hear about your experiences and insights.